Good afternoon, folks, and happy 4th of July weekend. This is going to be an exciting weekend, and we've got a great month coming up for horse racing. I don't know what's going to happen this weekend with the heat. They're talking about canceling races and changing the schedules to run them earlier in the day, but we'll have to see what happens as the weekend gets closer. There's 32 graded stakes races coming up in July, including 6 grade 1's at Saratoga, Los Alamitos, Horseshoe, Indianapolis, Prairie, Meadows, Delmar, Monmouth, and Woodbine. I've got a list of all these stakes races in the video description below, and I'm going to have highlights of as many of these races as I can. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, tap that lucky gold horseshoe down there in the right-hand corner. It only takes a second. It doesn't cost a dime. If you like horse racing, you'll love this channel. I've got a lot of really good races on here, and including the last race that was ever held at Aqueduct. That's a real popular one. And so in any case, like I say, have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.